Hi, I'm Adam from Getaway Trekking. We're here today. I'm just giving a brief rundown on the backpack that I personally use when crossing the track. As a leader, we have a local carrier as well for us, just with all our extra supplies that we take to ensure everyone gets across the track safely. I have a Osprey Stratus 50 litres, is ample for what I do. The Osprey is super comfortable, fits really well. These have got really thick padded hip bands there, extra little bits if you really want. Plenty of room behind, lets your back breathe and cools you down a little bit. Top pocket's good, plenty of all your daily bits and pieces that we need. Big pockets, drink bottles. Yeah, it's generally got everything that I've needed. I don't think I need anything else as a pack. Thick padded straps are really good. Get them up on your hips, which will take all the weight of your pack on your hips instead of all being on your shoulders. These straps are really only there so that your pack doesn't fall off your back. All the weight should sit on these straps. I generally have raincoats and wet gear will stay down here. Up the top will be sunscreens, a little medical stuff so you don't have to go digging out to get my decent big first aid kit out. Plenty of room for drink bottles, maybe some snacks up there. Just your general day-to-day gear. It does have another pocket here at the front there, which can also fit a lot more in. I have air guards and different day-to-day things that we may need whilst on the track. Clips are good. Clips seem pretty strong. When doing Kokoda Track, you have the choice of either carrying your own pack or having a personal carrier. If you have a personal carrier, they will carry all your sleeping bag or your sleeping gear and just your general gear that you don't need during the day. So 50 litres is ample for if you have a personal carrier. This is just your day-to-day gear and some extra bits and pieces you might feel comfortable with for the track during the day. If you are carrying your own pack, you will need to carry your sleeping gear, sleeping mat, possibly a tent, night clothes, camp clothes. You will need to carry everything, so you'll need a bigger pack for that. So once again, Adam from Getaway Trekking. This is the Osprey Stratus 50 that I use personally when crossing the Kokoda Track.